In Learning Zone Training Part 8 video, I am just going to explain first how you can import modules, and also I will just conclude about today's session. Let's say I am just going to, okay. This is my new module, okay? This is a new module on Learning Zone. Let's say I am trying to import some stuff from my migrated from Blackboard, shell from Blackboard. Simply, I am just going to my new Learning Zone shell. I am going to hit this gear here. It says when I click this gear, it gives me one option. It says import, export, copy components. Yes. First, I am just going to click this first option, copy components from another organizational unit. Yes. Search for offering. Okay. And I am going to put here corp 3511 and search. See, corp 3511 from the department migrated from Blackboard. Then I click yes. I just click and then add selected. Okay. You can, usually I prefer copy all components. I use copy all components. But if you don't want to copy everything, you can select components. Okay. You can select components. Okay. Which area you want to copy and transfer from the old one to the new one. But personally, I prefer copy all. Let me just do one more time. Corp 3511. Let's say I am just going to choose one because I don't want to copy everything. If I want to copy everything, copy all components, I am going to just select one of the, let's just say the small session. 44 items, 809 items, too many. No. I am going to just copy this one, discussion, for example, and continue. Then you will choose, because in discussion, I have got many discussions in my old. Let me just go back because I don't want to copy everything over. Let me just copy, then I can delete it anyway. That's fine. For training session reason, sorry, what's going on? Copy corp. I had the wrong code. Corp. I am selecting. This is from migrated. Yes, add selected, and I'm going to copy all components. The selected course had some or elements copied into this course. Are you sure that you want to copy again? Yes, say yes. Okay. It may take few minutes. It may take few minutes. Then we have to just wait. Okay, the transfer is finished. I'm just going back to my landing page. See, these are the new, and these are the, okay, these are my new shells, and these are the one which transfer from Blackboard to my learning zone. Simply, let me just show you. Okay. Simply, I can, or you can drag and drop from your old to the new one. Okay. These are the new, these are the old. You can see, I told you, it's a bit difficult. It takes, you know, this is a very old version. This is the very old version. See, only just link, and it's not very beautiful, and it's not very well organized. And it is not really following my order. This wasn't the original order on my Blackboard. Simply, you can just now drag and drop. This is my old part. This is from Blackboard, and these are already, we already created this one in this session. Then simply you can drag and drop. Okay. How you are going to delete permanently? This is the, let's say I transferred everything, drag and drop, and then I'm just going to delete. Simply, I click this folder, main folder. I go these three dots and delete. Just I am suggesting to choose this first option. You know, I selected this second one, and I had one issue because I used one file in two different folders. I deleted that file in one folder, and when I checked another folder, that file also removed from the second folder. For that reason, please choose the first option. Remove the module and all nested modules and topics from content, but keep all associated files. Please check this one and delete. Number one and number two, I'm going to delete same, delete, delete. And I'm going to delete later. So if I go back to landing page, okay, let's say you want to see how your students can view your module shell. Simply, if you click your name or your picture, there is the first option called view as learner. Okay, you click view as learner. Then this is the way students are going to see your module shell. Okay, this is the way, and this is the format students are going to experience. Let me just go back to, okay, how you can exit from student view. Simply, you just click your name, and there is a little cross in front of this viewer as learner. Just click this little cross, and it will return you to the instructor view. Okay, so let me just tell you, just summarize. As I mentioned, there are only if you go to your module shell, there are only 4 default main folders. I created 4 more, and you can see I have got 8 main folders. These are the titles you can see. So I am just going to explain quickly about each folder. This is my welcome main folder. There is a welcome, my note, my welcome notes. You're using Learning Zone, get the app, and the website access. These are default. I haven't touched it. Then you shouldn't touch, but you can just edit your welcome note. My second main folder is module information. I have got in module information key contacts, some notes for my students. I just said, please book your appointment in advance. Please use your university email address. We are aiming to answer your emails between 2 to 3 working days. Our working hours are Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. This is a contact. And under module information, there is another subfolder called module handbook. I have got module handbook here. And also, if you remember, I had SWA format as well. So this is folder number 2. Folder number 3 is assessment brief and preparation. Assessment brief and preparation. It has got 2 level 1 folders, subfolders. Assessment briefs. I have got under assessment briefs handbook. Other subfolder, I have got assessment preparation. I called it under assessment preparation folder, subfolder. I have got, for let's say, 3 level 2 subfolders. Assessment tips, how to record and share your videos, and basic statistic. And also you can create many subfolders if you want. Okay, so folder number 4, learning materials. This is a block teaching learning materials main folders. I have got 7 level 1 subfolders, week 1, week 2, up to week 7. And inside each week 1, I have got DMU replay, I have got week 1 lectures, I have got week 1 seminar 1, I have got week 1 seminar 2, and inside week 1 seminar 1, I have got 3 tasks. Maybe you have got 4 tasks, but this is only just sample I am showing. And for week 1 lecture materials, you can add your PDF file or your PowerPoint files. And resource list, I already explained. Resource list, you have to click and you have to follow exactly the same way as Blackboard. Student support is the main. Do you need help is the main folder. I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 subfolders. I already explained. Do you need help? They can scan QR code, DMU Basecamp, student support, DMU campus map, UG academic calendar, and British values. What are they? And main folder 7, it is Turnitin submission point. Do you know, again, DMU Leicester, assignment 1, assignment 2, assignment 3, and so on. And external examiner, there we should have 4 subfolders. We are going to provide assignment handbook. We are going to provide moderation form. We are going to provide samples, and we are going to provide mark sheet. I am going to end this session and the recording here. If I find something extra, then I will add and I will record another videos. Thank you very much for your time. And if you have any questions, please contact me by email.